We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone microphone not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when your iPhone microphone isn't working because perhaps trying to go and record something or just have a phone call with somebody and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. It's important you watch this whole video. Don't try and skip ahead, as otherwise you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So you want to come onto the iPhone as we currently are, locate the settings and tap on it to open it up. So the first thing we want to go and check is go and scroll down. You need to go and find the option for privacy and security and tap there. Then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for microphone and go and tap there. Make sure the app has permission if you're trying to go and use it in an app and that's where it's not working. It's super key, so switch it on here. Now, if that still doesn't solve the problem, the next thing you want to do is come back to the top of your settings and you want to go and find the option for Bluetooth. Try turning this off. So what can be the case is that your device is connected to a Bluetooth device which has a microphone in it and perhaps it's too far away, it's not working properly. So try turning it off, or if you see you're currently connected, you can press the I to the right and you can go and forget it. But I find it easy just to go completely turn off Bluetooth, see if that solves it. If it doesn't, the next thing you want to do is just go and inspect the microphone. If it's very muffled, it can be because you've got a screen protector, because there's a microphone at the top here, and you're going to find that there's microphones on your iPhone in different places as well. And also there's some at the bottom, so make sure none of them are blocked. So if there's a case over it or any dust or debris, go and clear it out at the top and bottom here. Next, if it still isn't working, let's try doing a restart. So press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. This can just go and refresh things on the iPhone. It will go black, but keep holding the button, only release it when you see the Apple icon. When it comes back on, hopefully the problem's solved.